Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is going to be a Walmart grocery haul for 2 weeks for a family of 7. We spent $166. That does not include meat because we do have to go to Aldi's to purchase that. But because the toddler was sick or is sick and we had to pick her up from preschool, and my husband is sick as well. Well, the toddler is sick. Say hi. Okay, so the toddler is sick, so I put a wrench in my grocery shopping because I like to get grocery shopping out the way every payday. That way, you know, our food is secure and they can take the bills and whatever they want to do, food is secure. So let's get into the video and I will show you guys everything that I got. Okay guys, so this is what I purchased for a family of 7 for 2 weeks from Walmart for $166. We took in the burgers we purchased, so that's a part of it. And then we purchased a case of water that contains 40 bottles. A case of water that contains 40 bottles.
I didn't say nothing.
And it's not here, so I got to do this first because Rob needed to cook to go with his burger. So we got a buttery golden select mashed potato for Rob's lunch today because he's hungry because he's been sick with the stomach bug. So now he's feeling like he wants to eat. So we got some chickpeas garbanzo. We have some red kidney beans. We have fish steak sardines. Because Rob got upset because I ate his Louisiana hot sauce sardines. So now he got 3 of them. 2 things of tuna because we already have tuna. I'm doing a video. Be quiet, please. We have 2 things of turkey. Lunch meat. We have 2 sweet potato. And then we got under here we have plantain. You want to use the plantains today too, honey?
Yeah.
Okay. So Rob's going to make us plantains, and us Jamaicans, we love fried plantains. I got 3 things of hot dog buns to go with the hot dogs here. And then we got some Shady Brook turkey. Then we got this big bag of berry colossal crunch. This is the 56 ounce. So it just looks like that. It's really big. And I figured this could last them for the month. We got some strawberry applesauce, 3 things of brown rice. This is a 2-pound bag. And then we got some saltine crackers because people are sick around here. So we need that. And then we have crunchy peanut butter. Finally found the big container of crunchy peanut butter from Walmart. Like heaven. And then I got the creamy for the children, of course. Let's go back around. And then we have coleslaw. Try coleslaw. Like I told you guys, this is a staple for me. This is what I eat to lose the weight, 40 pounds. Like this and this guy is like all day, every day, lunch, dinner, breakfast. That's it. Love it. Love it. Of course, I put cheese and turkey in there. It make a little salad, you know. So I got 3 of those because this is a staple for me. And then Rob got banana for his lunches. The kids don't really mess with these. They don't like banana. The children don't like banana, except for Maddie. Maddie likes banana. We have some baby carrot. They love carrot though. We have some yogurt and Jello snacks for the children. And then we got some cheese because Maddie go through cheese like there's no tomorrow. So I got 2 of them. And to go with the salad dressing over there, Rob said he wants me to try this barbecue sauce. He said it's really good. So we got 2 of those. And then we got nacho cheese to switch up from the pretzels because I felt like the kids were, it was just too much pretzels, like way too much. So I'm switching it up this week. So I got them nacho cheese. there. And then I got them some cheese crackers. And where's the other one? And then this one. Just to give them a bit of variety when it comes to their snacks. Some chocolate pudding. Vanilla and chocolate pudding. And then we got the big thing of sour cream. I got a thing of 2 pound. This is a 2 pound sharp cheddar. And then this was on sale. And Destiny loved these. That was $1. And then over here we have some halos. This was $2 something. Sorry about that, guys. I gotta keep stopping because my husband's cooking and it's loud, so I want to be considerate. Yeah. So we got just the white cheddar. This one. So we have corn chips. Definitely like these. This is also to switch up the variety with your snacks. And then I found this lettuce on sale. Hopefully I can use it this weekend before it goes bad. It was only $1. And then I love this yogurt. I haven't bought it in forever. I love this with honey. Even though I didn't get any honey, because honey has 47 grams of carbs. I don't eat that much carb in a day, so I'm just gonna have to eat this without the honey. And then I got this bare naked granola to put on top. Hopefully that will be enough, because this has a ton of carbs as well, so I'm gonna have to use this really sparingly because I do not do a ton of carbs. So I got that, and then I got the big bag of cheese. I said that already, I think. And then for the kids, I figured I could start putting back dishes in their lunches, because their lunch is starting to get a little pathetic. So I got them 2 pouches for 2 weeks. And then I got the halo. We have onion over here for dinners. And then Destiny said she wanted variety in her lunches. So she said she wanted granola bar. So we got this 24 pack of granola bar for her. Because I noticed that she doesn't like to make lunches. There's not a lot of stuff. But if there's stuff for her to choose from, she will make her own lunch, which takes a burden off of me because there's so much to do in the morning. And then this value pack of apple and cinnamon oatmeal. This is a staple in our family. That's all we eat every day, all day. You know, probably will never change. 2% milk. And then we got this thing of bread for the children when we do like shredded chicken. They can put that with some cheese and it's gonna be so good. It's so soft. So soft. It's $1.49. And I did that already. Got some peppers. We have some animal crackers for the toddler because she loves to snack now. I don't know what's up with that. So I got that for her so she can snack on that. And then we did the plantain tomato. Got a ton of tomato. And then Rob likes these peppers. I think they're chili peppers. I want to say they're chili peppers, but no, these look like chili peppers. Actually, it says serrano. Whatever. He likes those. And then, of course, our season. I got some garlic powder. I got some minced onion. And then we got some onion powder. Wait. Oh, okay. I thought I got 2 onion powder. And then we got some seasoning. All of this is like, this is what I use on all my meats. Like, if you don't use this, you're missing out. Like, look at that. Look at it. This stuff, you don't even need salt. When you use this, you don't need salt because it has a ton of sodium. You don't need salt. And then ketchup, potato. That's a 5-pound bag of russet potato. And then we have vegetable oil, sweet Vidalia onion, sweet Vidalia onion, and I got 2 of them because this week I ran out before the 2 weeks, so I was like, you know what? I ain't taking no chances because I had to put water in here, shake it up, and pour it on my thing, and it did not taste the same. So we had to put water in here and pour it on our salad. for it to last, and we don't want to do that. We got 2 tins of eggs because we still have a ton of eggs left over from the last grocery trip. And then we got these chicken breasts because they were clearance down to $6.80, and this is 2 meals, so this is 4 meals because we slice them in half and then cook them. And then we have spicy guacamole tortilla chips. Ooh, these is like the bomb, especially when we do haystack. We do a ton of haystack in our family, and yeah, this is the bomb.com. So good, so good. And it's only one Walmart in our area that sells it. The other Walmart doesn't carry it, and it's so sad. And then over here we got a ton of sandwich. I found the wheat bread, so at least I'm doing better with the wheat, you know, by giving them wheat. I mean, it's still bad, but still. We got 4, and last week they ran through it because we had a few snow days. Or was there snow days? They were all from school, and they just ate up the bread like no tomorrow. I don't even want to see what summer is like around here, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna put at least $50 extra in our budget. But anyways, this is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.